Good evening, welcome to my channel, YorkshireMouse. If you like what you see, subscribe. Just in my T5, up in the Isle of Skye at the moment. Here I'm going to do quite a lot of cooking on my ridge monkey. So I'll be putting not so much recipes, just sharing what I cook really, and I like to see what everybody else cooks on them. But if you haven't seen one, they're a great bit of kit, brilliant. It's come in a little packet. Open up the packet. Inside you've got your knives and forks, your utensils. Underneath you've got your handles. The handles just clip on. And then when you do, the pan shuts, so when you're cooking away you can open and shut the pan, stops all the splashes out, keeps the heat in. You can even turn things over in the pan. It's a brilliant bit of kit. Thoroughly would recommend having one if you're camper vanning. Fantastic. Watch this channel for my adventures in the T5 and also some cooking recipes from how we get on. Healthy ones. This evening we're having chicken tikka with new potatoes on a bed of spinach. The way forward when you're camper vanning. So all I've done is I've marinated the chicken and I'm just going to bob it into what we call our pan monkey.
Rich.
All you do is you bob it in and you shut the lid. What it does, it eliminates any splashing out. We move that aside and then we lift up the lid again and we're bobbing some potatoes on here. So that's that now. We close the lid, catch it in 5 minutes, I'll show you how to carry on. Okay, we'll just check on it. Yeah, it's cooking nice and now. All I have to do now is pick up the pan, turn it over. Look at them babies. We're all cooked up now. How lovely that steam coming out. Chicken and potatoes. I'll dish up and I'll show you our finished plate. So there we have it, chicken tikka, potatoes on a bed of lamb's lettuce, spinach with balsamic. Enjoy.
Tuck in. Chicken tikka bites with fried potatoes. Absolutely delicious. We use cooked and sliced chicken with tikka marinade, tinned new potatoes that are sliced. We cooked them in the ridge monkey with a splash of oil, then laid it all in a bed of baby spinach leaves with balsamic drizzle. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy.
Watch out for the next video.